So Homerunners was launched in July 2019. It is a service where it's also based on feedback from landlords that they wish that we can help them to show houses, do all the legworks. We agree that there's a need for such services, and this is for free. This services is provided for you for free. So I highly encourage you to leverage our Homerunners so that you don't have to worry about all these things. They go to show the houses. They actually wear a head cam, action cam, like the GoPro, or we use the action cam where they record the whole viewing. From the moment they open the door to closing the door, it's recorded. And if you want to see it, you can request from us. This is for security purposes as well, so that you make sure there's nothing stolen from your house. And at the same time, you can see the tenant yourself as well through the video if you want to, on the conversation between our Homerunners. Now, the Homerunners also help, it's provided for you for free. And so there are a few things, right, beneficial to you. Number one, we have seen a lot of tenants, really Malaysian timing. People waited for 1 hour for the tenant, which is bad, right? So you don't want to ever go through that. Number two, there are chances that the tenant no-show, and that is very bad user experience, especially for you. Spend your time to go to the house and end up no-show. And last but not least, is safe, right? I will talk about how safe we are in terms of from the moment how we hire them to viewing, and the keys. How do we handle the keys? Every day, all the keys are randomly labeled, so no address is attached. When the Homerunners will only be given your keys at the day where there's a viewing schedule. So the keys is passed to the Homerunner, and only then they know the address for this particular key. So even if someone stole the keys, they won't know which house is this. They have no idea because it's all labeled randomly in our way. And then by end of the shift, they must pass it back to us. So they never have the key overnight. So this is all the safety precaution that we put in place to make sure, number one, it's a safe. Number two, it's fast for you to lease out the house, because in today's world, it's about speed. It's not the big fish that wins, it's the fast fish that win. So the faster we can help you to show the house, the less window shopping the tenant needs to do, less competition, and therefore you can lease out your house at the fastest pace. So that's how SPEEDHOME deliver you a safe and a fast experience. Thank you.